Welcome to the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in bright white. This SUV is powered by a 6.4-liter V8, bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the SRT, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and mirrors, automatic headlights, gas cap release, leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, 8.4-inch touchscreen complete with navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control. Below we have 2 USB charging ports, an auxiliary port, and a single cigarette lighter charger. In the center console you can find your shifter, launch control, and driving mode toggles, and Harman Kardon audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the SRT, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Nitto NT420 tires. Brembo brakes are all around the vehicle. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, blacked-out Grand Cherokee badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, Jeep badge in the center of the hood, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Make our way back down the side of the vehicle. This SUV has keyless entry and is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. And at the back of the vehicle, we have twin exhaust tips as well as the blacked-out Jeep and SRT badging on the hatch. Heading back inside the SRT, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your trunk. Privacy liner is installed. Cup holders come down here in the middle. And here in the center console, we have the controls for the heated seats as well as 2 USB charging ports and a 115-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.